Are you feeling harsh shifts, or is your car stuck in limp mode and barely moving? A tiny temperature sensor inside your transmission might be the culprit. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down OBD2 trouble code P2742, which means transmission fluid temperature sensor B circuit, low input. This code affects many popular cars in the United States, from Fords to Toyotas. The transmission fluid temperature sensor, or TFT for short, is located inside your transmission oil pan. It acts like a thermometer for your transmission fluid. The powertrain control module sends a 5-volt reference signal to this sensor. As the transmission fluid gets hotter, the sensor's internal resistance drops, and the voltage signal changes. This data tells the computer when to shift gears and how much line pressure to apply. Code P2742 triggers when the computer detects an abnormally low signal, which usually points to a short circuit. The symptoms can be frustrating. You will see the check engine light, but you might also experience poor shifting, the torque converter clutch not engaging at highway speeds, or the car locking itself in a protective limp mode to prevent further damage. The usual suspects for this code include a faulty temperature sensor, damaged transmission wiring, general internal transmission problems, or rarely a bad engine computer. To fix this, you first need to check the sensor and wiring on the outside of the transmission for any obvious damage. A good diagnostic step involves using a scan tool to watch the live temperature data. If you disconnect the sensor and the reading drops to absolute zero, but shoots up to a high temperature when you bridge the connector terminals with a wire, your wiring and computer are fine, meaning the sensor itself has failed. To test the sensor directly, you can measure its resistance with a multimeter set to ohms. As the engine warms up, the resistance should smoothly decrease. If it stays frozen, the sensor is bad. You also need to verify that the computer is sending that 5-volt signal to the sensor connector. If you are seeing other transmission codes along with this one, you might have a deeper mechanical issue. Dropping the transmission pan to replace a sensor can be messy and requires adding new fluid afterward. If you are not equipped to handle transmission fluid, this is definitely a job for a professional mechanic. Thanks for tuning in. Do not forget to subscribe and keep your ride running smooth.